Every year, we start with many New Year resolutions with a lot of enthusiasm. I want to start doing exercise, or I'll start playing badminton, I will eat healthy food, or I'll start reading books. But finally, we end up not being able to do any of these things for a longer period. This is not only for you, it happens for many of us. And recently, I read the book Atomic Habits by James Clear, and I love the techniques that he explained in how to make new habits and how to maintain them. So, I'd like to share few techniques which are explained in that book with you. Before going into learning the techniques of making our habits, let us try to understand what are habits and how do they help us. Habit is a regular practice of a routine which is small and easy to do. So, when it becomes a habit, our brain automates that process. So, without thinking, it will do that task. So, in this way, our brain can work on more important tasks. That is how habits are going to help. Now, let us learn the techniques to make new habits. First one, do it for shorter period of time. Like I'll meditate for 5 minutes, do exercise for 5 minutes, or read one page in a book, drink one extra glass of water daily. Because if you start doing it for longer period, or if your task is difficult, you easily tend to stop it. Second one, be specific and clearly define when you're going to do it, where you're going to do it, and after which of your regular tasks you're going to do it. Like, I will start meditating at 6 a.m. daily in my hall after I brush my teeth. Or I will do exercises evening at 6 p.m. after I come back from my office. So when you do this, it will be easy for you to do the task because you are linking it with your previous habit. Third one, make the habit obvious. If you keep the things that are required for your habit readily available, then it will be easy for you to do it. For example, if you want to drink more water, then if you have to go into your kitchen and then get your water, maybe you'll avoid it or skip it. But if you keep water bottles ready in the places where you regularly sit, then it'll be easy for you to have more water. And for example, if you want to read books, so if you keep the books visible uh, where you're sitting regularly, then it'll be easy for you to pick it and read it. But if it is in a closed cupboard where you'll not be able to look at it, then you may skip it. So you have to make the things readily available and easy to pick or visible so that you will not skip it. Fourth one, make it rewarding. Generally, habits will not give results immediately. So we may not feel interested. But if you want to make it interesting, so you can try out rewarding yourself with some small gifts. For example, you want to avoid eating much outside, so you want to cook yourself. Then, whenever you're avoiding going out and making it at home, you can put some amount in a box so that at the end of the year you can use that amount for a small trip or to buy something which you are waiting for, so that this will encourage you to do the habit more. Fifth one, quantity over quality. So don't try to be more qualitative and try going and searching for the things which are perfect. Like, for example, if you want to do exercise, don't start searching for a gym which is best and all this. Instead of doing that, start it immediately, and once you keep doing your habit over a period of time, the perfection will obviously come in. You have to prefer doing number of times instead of looking for the quality in the work that you are doing.